Unit 4 Partial Differential Equation. So these are types of first order partial differential equations. So in these sessions we have 4 types is present in the syllabus. So let me see one by one here. So first we shall start type 1. So type 1 is the partial differential equation of the form f of p comma q equal to 0 as a solutions z equal to ax plus by plus c and f of a comma b equal to 0. That means the given problem is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. Then we can take the trial solutions z equal to ax plus by plus c and equating f of a comma b equal to 0. That means replace p equal to a and q equal to b equal to 0. So we get the required solutions. So first we shall see the basic problems. So first problem number 1 is find the complete solutions of root p plus root q equal to 1. So first we can identify this one is which type. So p and q are must be present here. Therefore this is a type number 1. Okay. So therefore first we can take root p plus root q equal to 1. We can take that one is equation number 1. So next the trial solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. So we can take this one is equation number 2. Next where p equal to a and q equal to b. Therefore substitute in equation number 1 we get root a plus root b equal to 1, then root b equal to 1 minus root a. That means b equal to 1 minus root a whole square. So we can substitute this value from the second equations. Therefore z equal to ax plus replace b value here 1 minus root a whole square into y plus c. So these are required solutions. That means we can eliminate any one constant, we get the complete solutions. These are procedures. Or we can take b also, or we can take a also. Here is I can eliminating b only here. So I can replace b equal to root of 1 minus root a. So replace in equation number 1, that is equation number 2, we get z equal to ax plus 1 minus root a whole square into y plus c. So this is the first problem. Then second one is find the complete solution of p plus q equal to pq. So this is of the form p and q alone present here. Therefore this is type number 1. First we can take p plus q equal to pq is equation number 1. Then the equations is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. Then the trial solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. So replace p equal to a and q equal to b. So we get a plus b equal to ab. Then I want b here, b equal to ab, that is I want b here. So that means so b minus ab equal to a. Therefore b into 1 minus a equal to a. Therefore b equal to a by 1 minus a. So replace b equal to a into 1 minus a from equation number 2. So we get z equal to ax plus a by 1 minus a into y plus c. So there is a simple concept is f of p comma q equal to 0 is given means so only p and q are must present in the problem. So for that case you can choose p equal to a and q equal to b, replace in the equation number 2, then either equating a equal to something or b equal to something. So here is every problem we can eliminate b alone here. So any one we have to eliminate a or b, that is your choice. Here is again using only eliminated b value alone here. Okay. So next problem is find the complete solution of p square plus q square equal to n into pq. So these are the form n is a constant. So p and q alone here. So therefore this is a type number 1. So first we can take p square plus q square equal to n pq equation number 1. Then your general solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. Then f of p comma q equal to 0. So replace a and a equal to p, q equal to b in the second equations, that is a trial solutions. So we get that means a equal to, that is So replace this one. So we get a square plus b square equal to n times of ab. That means b square minus nab plus a square equal to 0. So this is second degree quadratic equations. So your formula is b equal to, that is b equal to root of minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is b here? That is b is nothing but na. So minus na means formula we have 1 minus, so na plus or minus root of b square is a square n square minus 4ac. So 4a is must be in 1 here, so c is a square, so 4a square divided by 2a. So a is 1, so we get 1, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square form. So here is coefficient of b square is 1, so that is your a value, that is 1. So then here is I can take a square minus 4a square means here is I can take a square outside, so root of a square is a, so here is also 1a, so I can take a by 2 outside, then n plus or minus root of n square minus 4. So replace b equal to a by 2 into n plus or minus root of n square minus 4 in the trial solutions. Z equal to ax plus by plus c. Therefore the complete solution is z equal to ax plus a by 2, then n plus or minus root of n square minus 4 into y plus c. So these are complete solutions of problem number 3. So next, problem number 4. Find the complete solution of p minus 3q equal to 6. Here is also p and q are present. So this is a type number 1 form. F of p comma q equal to 0. Therefore we can take p minus 3q equal to 6 is equation number 1. So therefore the trial solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c, where p equal to a and q equal to b. So replace p equal to a and q equal to b in the given equations. We get a minus 3b equal to 6, therefore minus 3b equal to 6 minus a, therefore b equal to 6 minus a divided by minus 3, that is equal to minus 2 plus a by 3, that is b value. So replace b value from the trial solutions. Therefore z equal to ax plus minus 2 plus a by 3 into y plus c. Next, problem number 5. If you have any doubt means we can ask in the group or through WhatsApp. So what you are convenient means we can follow that one. The next problem is find the complete solutions of p minus q equal to 0. So first we can take given p minus q equal to 0. So this is of the form f of p comma q equal to 0. That is a form. Therefore the trial solution is z equal to ax plus by plus c. That is equation number 2. So next we can replace, put p equal to a and q equal to b in given equations. So a minus b equal to 0, therefore b equal to a. Therefore the complete solution is z equal to ax plus ay plus c, that is a into x plus y plus c. So this is a complete solution of problem number 5. That means, so here is the idea is the type number 1 is the given problem is of the form p comma q equal to 0. So p and q must be present in the problem. So that time you can using the type number 1. So what is the type number 1? So again you can recall here. So type number 1 is, so this is the type number 1. The equations contains p and q only. Suppose z equal to ax plus by plus c is a trial solution of f of p comma q equal to 0. That means the given problem p and q is present means first we can write the given equation is number 1. Next we can write the trial solutions. Next we can write f of p comma q equal to 0. If you are writing this one means we get 2 marks here. Suppose they will be asked the 4 marks, 6 marks question means we will get 2 marks. Next step is we can replace p equal to a and q equal to b from given equations. Then after that we can eliminate either a or b. Any one constant we have to eliminate. Then we can substitute that value from the trial solutions. We get the complete solutions here. So this is a procedure. Okay. So for example, here is I can eliminating only b alone here. So for that one I can take b equal to. Suppose if you are eliminate a also, that is also right. So main thing is here is we can eliminate any one constant, we get the complete solutions. Any one we have to eliminate. Okay, don't do the two things here. So type number one is these are procedures. Okay, so be careful. So we will continue the next section, type number two form. Okay, thank you.